Look at how adorable this month's P. Louise budget box is. We gotta open it, see what's inside, and try it on our face. Definitely that egg theme for Easter. As soon as I opened it, there's all these little cute heart packing peanuts. I've never actually liked packing peanuts until this moment. The first item is the Dream a Little Dream face palette. I am so excited. I am forever on the hunt for the perfect face palette because usually there's a bronzer that's too warm. This one might be too warm, we'll see. Pretty blush, some highlight, all right, all right. Have a shimmer setting spray. My dry skin says yes, let's try it. We have the Smooth It Over Smoothing Primer, the Glossy and Glazed All Over Body Glow. I have to see what color this is. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I put too much on my hand, but that is so stunning. Let me just put it on my shoulder. It smells like chocolate, kind of, but like kind of fake chocolate. It's not bad, but look at that glow. The difference between this side and this side. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. P. Louise packaging just excites me in a wild way. It's so fun. This is the Balm for You lip balm. Yes, and whatever. What is this? Okay, I think these are two different lip balms, but they are formulated with avocado butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E. So all of these moisturizing ingredients. Definitely gonna have to try one on, but look at how cute this one is. Clicks up into a heart. Let's feel this on the lips. Does it taste funny? Okay, feels really nice. Doesn't taste funny, thank goodness. I'm very picky when it comes to lip products. Oh, and this is gonna be like a juicy lip balm, I'm sure. I'm gonna love wearing this throughout the day. Sorry for the cat scratches, but that is a thick butter. Let's add that too. Okay, this one's actually minty, but it is really thick. It feels good. It doesn't taste funny, but the smell is like the medicated chapsticks. I used to love those when I was younger. The last product is Luminous Light. Another lip oil. I freaking love their lip oils, and this is a color I do not have. Oh, it's so, so pretty. Box cost me around $56, but you're getting so much for what's in the box, and that includes shipping to the US, which is astronomical from the UK, but this is worth it in my opinion. We're gonna use the smoothing primer. I was just seeing if it has any like scent to it, and it doesn't really. Feels really good, very lotiony, not too silicone-y. I really like the way that this is sitting on the skin. Foundation, concealer, and under eye powder are on, and I love the way my base looks. I actually tested it with the filter on just to make sure that I didn't accidentally have the filter on. For reference, this is with the filter on and without the filter. Not too far off. We like the smoothing primer. I'm gonna definitely add that to my rotation. To test this out, I am gonna honestly say I don't have high hopes for the bronzer being my color because I tend to pull things a little bit orange, but I want to just test it out right away. Okay, it is a tiny bit on that orangey warm side, but I don't hate it. And it's so smooth. I like love her products. Gotta be honest with myself though, if I'm still on the hunt for the perfect palette, I need a more neutral bronzer color. This is beautiful and I will absolutely use it, but it's not perfect for me. That being said, incredibly easy to blend out. And now we're gonna try this blush, which I think is gonna work well. I love P. Louise blushes. Yeah, that blush is gorgeous. And now for these highlights, I need to see, I feel like they might be too dark for me. I know that pink one will, but let's see about the gold. Let's just try it on our face. I'm actually gonna use the same palette on my eyes. So we'll do pink on the lids as a shimmer shade, but for these cheeks, we're gonna go in with the gold one and see if it casts a shadow. No, thank goodness. I feel like that never happens, especially in palettes. Like I can never wear the shades in them because they always are too dark for me. This is so exciting. Love this, love this, love this so far. Let's use these as eyeshadows. Actually going to Mexico soon, and I could see this being a one and done kind of palette for me. I love finding items like this. All right, let's see that pink shimmer on the lid. Keep repeating myself, but that's beautiful. Before finishing my face and using that lip oil, let's set our face using the setting spray. Looks like it has a little ball in it. All right, always spray off first. No weird scent to it or anything, but we're gonna let that fully set in. Look at how cool that gold is swirling in the bottle, but the shimmer in it isn't that prominent. Like this is my face right now, and I feel like my face just looks hydrated, dewy. I love these products. Time to try the lip oil in Luminous Light. Always love this packaging. Does it have that same scent? Oh no, this one's also in that like kind of chocolatey scent. I'm probably getting the scent wrong, but all my other ones smell like watermelon. Oh, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this has the most gorgeous gold shimmer in it. I think this is my summertime glam look. I think I just found it. This was by far the best budget box I've gotten so far. I am obsessed with these products and they are immediately all getting added to my rotation. Guys, the look is, it's giving. It's giving fun, summer, warm, bronze. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.